If you know me, you're not going to believe what I did today, and I'll tell you about it while I knock a few billiard balls around.
Well, if you know me, you know I absolutely hate ordering stuff online and all that stuff like that. If you don't know, you do now. I just got through ordering everything to get the car running, less a drive shaft. Oh, and 2 rotors. I can get them local. So ordered all that stuff there. Whew. I need to take a break. So we're going to do the next best thing that I like to do. And look, I started out with a scratch. See there? Because tomorrow night is my 10-ball league. So I do need to practice a little bit. Actually, I need to practice a whole lot. But I got all my stuff coming from my car. Got all the stuff coming for the car. We ordered a... excuse me. Ordered the toe boards for the floor. Oh, I can't talk and shoot. Can't hardly shoot and not talk, but and ordered the toe boards. I ordered all the emergency brake. Wow, all the emergency brake cable stuff. I ordered all the stuff for the clutch rods. Ordered all the ain't made a ball yet, and ordered a complete front suspension, lower control arms, upper control arm bushings. It come with it. Sway bar link. There we go. Sway bar links, sway bar bushings, inner outer tie rods. I had to order a transmission mount. I ordered I might already said that, but there's some brackets that goes on to the frame rail. Come on, baby. Some brackets that goes onto the frame rail. And got that all ordered. An absolutely complete wiring harness for it. A complete wiring harness for it. I am missing some stuff because there was a whole page. I got it stuck up on the board over there. So there's a whole page of stuff. Fuel sending unit, just a whole rack of so we should be in business. Part of it is actually going to be here in 2 days. They said the suspension, the front suspension, will be here in 2 days. So over Ranchero's in the way. I usually move it when I'm really playing, but so anyway, I'm gonna relax a minute and I'm gonna go in, wait on my parts. Thanks for watching, everybody.